My name is Peter Karanja. They call me PK. I am the national coordinator of the National Aspirants Forum. We have decided that from today henceforth, we will not sit back and see our fate being decided by a clique of undecisive political elite of the elected members of parliament, senators, and members of the county assembly, whom we are looking for and we will replace in the next a couple of months to come. We have seen cases where even the party leaders have crushed all the political party structures and replaced them with the parliamentary groups. When they want to sanitize or satanize the political parties' issues, they call the parliamentary groups. When governors want to do the same at the county level, instead of dealing with the political party structures, which brings us all together, they deal with only those who are in positions and are elected in those positions. We will take our position. We are waiting for the referendum to come, and we will assert our authority, ourselves and those that we lead and those who believe in us.